What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to properly set up new bots on a Discord server. If you've been around Discord, you know bots can significantly enhance the functionality of your server, from moderation tools to fun and engaging features. Whether you're new to Discord or a seasoned user, this guide will cover everything you need to know about adding bots to your server, setting permissions and ensuring they work correctly. First, let's talk about why you'd want to add a bot to your Discord server. Bots can automate tasks, manage roles and permissions, send welcome messages, and even help moderate your community to keep it safe. The bot we'll focus on today is MEE6, a versatile and widely used bot within the Discord community. MEE6 offers features ranging from custom commands and automated moderation to engagement tools like polls and welcome messages. To add a bot like MEE6 to your Discord server, start by finding the bot's website. You can simply navigate to this site by clicking on the link in the video description. Once here, you'll see an option to add to Discord. Clicking on this will prompt you to select which server you want to add the bot to. Remember, you need to have the appropriate permissions on the server to add bots, typically the server owner or someone with the Manage Server role. After selecting your server, you'll be asked to authorize the bot to grant it the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it determines what the bot can do and cannot do within your server. You'll want to carefully consider which permissions to enable. While it might be tempting to grant all permissions for simplicity, it's better to only provide the bot with the permissions it needs to perform its intended functions. This helps maintain server security and privacy. Once the bot is added, it's time to configure it according to your server's needs. Using MEE6 as an example, you can easily set up welcome messages, configure moderation settings, or create custom commands through its user-friendly dashboard. This flexibility allows you to tailor the bot's functionality to match your community's vibe and rules. One tip to keep in mind when setting up bots is to think about their role and visibility within your server. If you want the bot to be visible in the member list and have it manage roles or send messages in specific channels, make sure its role is correctly configured and positioned in the role hierarchy. Adding a bot to your Discord server is not just about automating tasks, it's about enhancing the community experience. With the right setup and permissions, bots like MEE6 can significantly contribute to your server's success. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.